Now, Al Rabe did design a really cool semi-scale model of the Bearcat. I got to fly Al's model when I was in Texas. This is Larry DRAUGHN'S model being displayed on this video. And Al's plane, I was impressed with how well it flew in some really heavy wind. D. Rice made one from a kit. I believe it was from a kit. And this plane, if you look at the cockpit detail, all the detailing in this model, it is exceptional, and we include the flight.
Let me see the bottom. That's beautiful. Looking good, baby. Looking good.
Really flies.
Good. I got to fly Al's. It flew fine. Did you send him a picture of this yet?
I need to.
Yeah,
He thinks it's blue. Now he's heading for a disappointment. I told him all along I was going to do it in yellow.
Well, D. Rice's was this exact model, a Beetle Bomb.
Beetle Bomb is.
Yeah, and it showed up well in the air. Look at that. Look at a pilot, nicely detailed. Whoa, nice. Nice ink work. Yeah, it's great.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
How much your weigh? Did you weigh it yet?
Yeah, it weighs about 74.
Yeah, that's probably about what it should weigh. You give it another hour, it's coming. Yeah, well, on the radar screen there was stuff coming. Now this is built from one of Al's kits, one of those laser cut kits, I think.
Yes.
And it's got a Sato 72. I couldn't. Yeah, it's definitely got a 4-stroke.
Had a lot of telephone time between him and I. After Phil.
You're 8th, Rich?
9th.
9th? What is Larry, do you know, like 5th or something?
I think he's 3rd.
Oh, you got a ways then, okay.
3rd or 4th.
I'll get a new battery for the camera. Make sure we don't run out of battery.
I think a couple of people canceled out.
Yeah, but the problem is, it could go 2 or 3 people right in a row.
I know.
And you're stuck, so you better be ready.
I'm ready.
All right, you're ready, baby.
When I fly out, big Bearcat like that, it's really bad. That's fine. You gotta fly your airplane the way it allows. And he's gonna have problems. Then watching that every time.
When is Kent up? Do you know when Kent is up? He's on your circle. Kent, when he up?
You're up after the ridge?
Well, we gotta go through the advance.
You got to go through the whole advance thing. There's like 10 more advance left.
Oh, you're in the circle. I'm probably going to
How are you?
probably. He's kind of rusty out there in the crop on this side. Back up the way I'm bald. Last right, and he's in the right place. Wave it off, wave it off. Somebody put this line on.
What engine is that again?
Sato, 72.
76?
72.
It's chugging along.
Yeah. It's got a nice gap in the air here. It's definitely manageable.
I know it. I mean, we had, I know I have to do it. It would never be a question. You just have to
So I hope you did enjoy sharing this model. It's a really impressive model. In real life, I do remember that cockpit detail, among other things, and that, to me, that is a real labor of love to do that. So I hope you did enjoy the video. Take a second if you did, and then hit the like button. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and watching the video.